Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video for you on how to geek, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can register for your FTX account. So FTX is basically a cryptocurrency derivative exchange that is built for traders and is built by traders. What it does, it basically helps you and gives you a platform that is powerful enough for professional trading firms and intuitive enough for first-time users. So if you want to get acquainted with all of these services provided by FTX and get in line with cryptocurrency, I'm going to show you how you can register for your account. So for this, first of all, make sure that you've already downloaded the FTX app on your mobile device and then open up the app. As you open up the app, wait for a certain while until the app completely loads for you, and then as soon as you open up the app, you will land on an interface that looks like this. So there you can see the Get Started button. Tap on the Get Started button and then tap on Register on the bottom right corner. As soon as you tap on Register, the first thing you have to do is create your username. So I'm just going to show you by creating a username for myself and then tap on the next button. After doing that, if you have a referral code, enter the referral code over here, or else just leave it and then tap on the next button. Then what you have to do is you'll have to enter your email address. So I'm just going to enter an email address for myself, and after you do that, it'll say that this will be your FTX account email going forward, and you will also need to verify your email. After entering your email, also enter the password that you want to set for your account and then tap on the register button. And you'll be able to see that after you verify your email address, you'll eventually get registered for your FTX account. So this is basically how you can register. It's quite a simple process, and I hope that with the help of this video, you'll be able to register for your own FTX account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share, subscribe to our channel, and also hit that bell notification so that you get reminded each time that we come up with a new tutorial video. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you around next time.